Fastest dog alive! You little cheater! Yo, good cat! Alright guys, so we're gonna pretend that we forgot our Frisbee. Let's see how she reacts. Lexy, where's the Frisbee? Where's the Frisbee? Oh, where's the Frisbee? Where is it, Lexy? I think we forgot the Frisbee at home. No, we can't play Frisbee today. It's just gonna be running around. Where is it? Where is it? Is it this? Is it this? Oh. Come here. Easy. Sit. Good girl. Go get it. Go get it. Where is it? Where is it, Lexy? Here. Good girl. Ready? Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl? Let's see, mommy, Lexy. Go, 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 go. Ready? Go get it. Yo, good catch. Are you gonna follow me? Get it, get it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Fastest dog alive. Oh, go get it, go get it. Lexy, let's race. Mommy's gonna throw it. You can't cheat, okay? Lexy, you can't cheat. Come here. Behind the line. Sit. Lexy, sit. Ready? Set. You cheater! You cheater! You little cheater! You little cheater! Oh, someone's tired, huh? Oh, someone's tired. Man, I'm tired too, man. I want a rematch. Don't cheat this time. Mommy's gonna throw it. Behind the line. Leave it. Leave it, you little cheater! You little cheater. Stop cheating! Stop cheating! Okay, one last time. You can't cheat, okay? You can't cheat. Like, already cheating. Okay, get behind the line. Sit. Sit. Okay. Oh, I missed it. I had you. I had you. I was faster than you. Yeah, I was faster than you. Okay, I'll let you win this time. I'll let you win. Are you tired? Daddy's tired. Ah, you're drooling everywhere. You nasty. Alright guys, so this Frisbee from the company Kong is just amazing. We've had this one for about 3 years now, and look at it, still in perfect condition. I mean, it's a little bit dirty of course, but still does the job. And it comes in 2 different sizes. There's the smaller version, which I'm currently holding, and a bigger version, but honestly we prefer the smaller version. It just flies better, it's lighter, it's easier for Lexy to catch. And yeah, we've tried out a bunch of other Frisbees before that are like plastic, I think, and every time that Lexy catches the Frisbee, she starts bleeding, so her teeth starts bleeding. But as you guys can tell, this one is very easy on the mouth, very easy on the teeth, so we've had no issues with this one. So 10 on 10 for us. We highly recommend it. Go check it out. Patio.
Very good.
Oh. Good girl. You ready? You ready for another round? Oh yeah. Go get it. Good girl. Good bench. Get it. Do you want to play some more? Let's see. Okay, go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Good bench. One more time. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Alright guys, so I think that's it for today. We played for about 30 minutes. Lexi's really tired. She had a lot of fun. Always a lot of fun when she's playing with her Frisbee. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace!